up guys, Falco here. Okay, I always said I hope everyone to win in my giveaway. And everyone can get something from me. But the logistics shipping cost is a nightmare for 2,000 people, obviously. So in this desk you can see there are 15 pieces iPhone XS with 5 pieces space gray, 5 pieces gold, and 5 pieces silver. And all of them are 256 gigabytes. And they are not only single box here, all of them get the iPhone XS and all set of accessories inside it. Okay, I will show you guys this one as example what inside the box. Okay, this space gray iPhone XS, and this is the front, this is the back, side, the top, and the bottom. This is the original iPhone XS, and this is a US version. I will open this box and show you guys what's inside it. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is the box. This is the use manual. Let's see what's inside. First, this is Apple sticker, and this is the needle to take in and take out your SIM card. And this is the use manual, and this is star guide. Say hello here. Okay. So this is the use manual, and here we have iPhone XS. This is the space gray. This is iPhone XS with the original sticker. I'll show you guys the front and the back. Okay, and let's see the other accessories here. We got the charger. This is a US charger, and we have the earphone. And in the last we have the USB cable to charging your phones. Okay, this is the full set of iPhone XS, and I will show you the iPhone XS. First, let's take off the sticker and turn on this iPhone XS. Yes, it turned on, and it shows Apple logo. I will just show you. This is the real, original iPhone XS. It's not just some other phones. I never lie to you guys. Okay. Has password. So this is iPhone XS. So this is the iPhone XS, and we've got some general information inside here. And I open my Twitter. Twitter. So okay, this is iPhone X in this giveaway. Okay. And this is gold and this is silver. In the last, I will tell you guys how to enter this giveaway. Very simple. To enter this giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe my YouTube channel and leave comments down below this video. It's better for my Twitter account as well because we announce the final results in my Twitter account only. But by the way, you get more possibilities to win if you share this video to your social media networks like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or other social media networks. By the way, I almost guarantee you guys. Some people make fake accounts like me, and they say, hey man, you win the giveaway. Give me your credit card information for the prize claim. No, we never do this. The shipping is free. So please be cautious when people do that kind of things. In order you go to the right place to see the final results. Please follow my Twitter accounts to get the final results. Okay, that's it. Good luck in this giveaway, and thank you so much for watching this video with me. And yes, by the way, please, if you want to know more information about us, please say our social networks down below, like the Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. We will get you guys updated about our giveaways and some other tech videos about smartphones. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. See you next time.